Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She's arriving at the station. The meeting is on Monday. He lives in a small village. We'll meet at the corner of the street. The book is on the table. They are in the park right now. We are having a party on Saturday. The concert is on the weekend. She's at the office today. I read about it in the news. He's standing at the bus stop. The photo is on the wall. We went hiking in the mountains. She was born in 1990. The party is at my friend's house. The movie starts at 8 p.m. They are working on the project together. The information is on the website. She's waiting at the entrance. We stayed in a hotel last night.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. See you in the next video.